what we say is, well, we can give you a framework in helping you to identify those stuck places, but you are the expert in physics. You know, I'm not an expert in physics or mathematics or musical theory or whatever. We are trusting you as the expert, who have, we would hope, you know, a pretty in-depth knowledge of the curricula and the conceptual journey your students are going on. We would throw the ball back to you in that sense, and in a partnership, and say, here's a set of analytic tools, and here's a vocabulary you might find helpful to identify where these stuck spaces or these threshold points might be in your curriculum. But we'd like you to bring your disciplinary knowledge into the frame, as it were, in a kind of partnership, to help in this process. Glynis Cousin, who's a colleague of ours in the UK, coined the term transactional curriculum analysis. And what she was saying is you need the view of the professors and the academics, because they know the journey that students need to take. They're further down that road. The students don't know the road in that sense. They haven't journeyed through this new state, as it were. But what the academics often don't know is what it's like for that particular student.
So I think the value of adding the student perception to my study is I was focused on what instructors are teaching in the classroom, but I don't think I can only ask the instructors what they're teaching. I have to also ask the students, because the students are the ones learning from the instructors. So hopefully what the instructor says they're doing in the classroom and what the student says they're doing in the classroom match up, so that there's a clear understanding of what is happening day to day.